Oh, the GoPro sound. All right, you know the drill. If you want to see us ride, you got to hit that like button. More likes, the more fuel goes in this tank. So go on, hit the like button. I'll wait. Oh man, so close. You better get us next time.
Was that posse rolling in again?
Yeah, it is funny to see the same people, eh?
Great fight. What do you like better than that KTM or the Honda?
I didn't ride the Honda enough. I like this better suspension-wise, but I mean that's the thing. If suspension was set up the same, I think I'd rather have this.
Yeah.
Like Galit says, you can ride this wide open.
FWT suspension from factory is pretty good, right?
Yeah.
The factory shock kits. Are we going to the right?
Yeah. I think this is more forgiving. Here, I'll wait for you guys.
Yeah, these sand corners, you know, it takes me a while to get fine grip in them. This is neat. Definitely a snowmobile trail though, eh?
Yeah. Gate across at the bottom of the hill.
Watch speed. Oh, there's a road here.
Ant and Mills. Yeah. Snowmobile here. Go ahead.
You gotta use your own risk. That's funny.
That's great. That's the guy that's got bike control. What video?
Right along the trail line here, and the bikers got mad at him, the cyclists, because they kicked the enduros off the rail trail, and we got to ride the roads now. And Mike said, that doesn't make sense. The cyclists get to ride the trail, and we have to go on dirt bikes on the road, right?
Like snowmobiling now, follow road to trail.
Yeah, exactly. This is where you shine. Oh, there we go.
Oh, Ghoulies, can't get it.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, maybe I broke it. I was too much for it.
That's definitely it, Dad. That's crazy on loose gravel like that, even. Really, my opinion's changed. Oh my gosh, dude! Yo!
Oh, this is cool. This is a sled trail.
Oh, again, he lost him. I guess it's that way, yeah. I was friggin' second gear pin going up that. It just wasn't, it was just paddling, wasn't getting any traction.
Fucking Marco's like all over me, bro. But you're doing good. I'm just enjoying it, bro. My arms are already fucking sore.
I was like, he's riding on the rear wheel the whole time, and I said to Drew, it's a good thing Marco's taking it easy for the first ride of the season.
That was when he was doing the first wheelie on that gravel.
He's at the trailer going, I'm going to take it easy today.
But you know what? This bike's for...
I would love to see him when he's not taking it easy.
They just stay there, you know? It's amazing for wheelies.
You don't see him, bro. He's just gone.
This fucking thing for wheelies are the best bikes that Sam does. Fucking amazing. Is that your RX or the R?
RX.
Oh, that's the RX.
What a feeling.
Is that your song I could hear?
Drew, how does it going, buddy?
Good. Yeah, it's actually my first time out on trails. Believe it or not, like I've rode like a little bit around the snowmobile trails around our cottage.
For the first time him out on the trails, he's doing awesome.
Yeah, he mountain bikes, so he's a good mountain biker. So
Usually when we go out with first time guys, we're like waiting.
yeah, no,
He's right there.
yeah, he's BMX biked and mountain biked, and that helps, right? So
Here, let's finish this.
Couple of old guys trying to keep the old memories in.
yeah, I'm a year older than you.
Well, at least somebody's older than me.
Exactly.
But you know what? It doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't.
Here, like today, you guys dragged me out. You guys made my day.
That's awesome.
This guy made my day.
Fucking dragged you out.
I know you are. You always do, anyways.
Yeah, like that saying.
That's why you're such a good friend, and that's why I stick around. Otherwise, I wouldn't.
Well, it's like Galitz, as soon as he said, "Oh, AJ's coming, maybe Craig," I'm going, "We got a ride happening, bro."
Yeah. Craig had to leave.
That's okay.
Or else it would have been him and Nick all day long.
Oh yeah, we'll be fucking getting. But no, he's ahead of me though. I'm still tired, man. I mean, I don't have it today 100%, but he's got to catch me on a good day with a Red Bull on me, and then I'll fuck him up.
Here, there's a lot of mud holes.
Yeah.
But I'm talking like.
What's that?
The sugar-free helps too.
I'm talking like, bro, you got like 3-4 feet of water over here, bro. Like,
So
probably.
She knows something about water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bike was
She
completely
should know how to swim
gone.
now.
I'm like, where's the bike?
But that happened at Oral Lake.
Brand
and,
new.
Did it?
And they
Brand
fixed
new.
that because it was happening
was
to a lot
brand
of
new.
people.
Oh man.
I just got
Yeah.
right
Yeah,
on
it was like a second round.
the video. I was completely gone. I was going through the water. Was up to here. I was going
Where?
Oral Lake.
Oral Lake.
Is that where we're going?
Yeah, but they fixed that hole, bro. Like, honestly, side-by-sides were drowning there. ATVs. And then people would be riding and it'd be like this much water, and then all of a sudden, boom!
I had
And
no
people would
clue.
be coming back. It wasn't only him that day, like 4 or 5 bikes coming back towed.
The problem is with this, with the 2 strokes, is different. This one that say it was dead, done.
Once these get filled up.
Yeah.
He had to pull me with the freaking tie down, fucking go all the way, and then the water that came out of this engine, buddy. I did 5-6 oil changes before some of the cream went out, but she still ride. And she still kick his ass too.
Yeah.
I'm fucking surprised, bro. I Honda all the way, bro. You can't beat Hondas, bro. I have mud coming out of the exhaust and everywhere.
Is that just a shield, like a protector?
Yeah,
The red?
a Cherbis protector.
Nice.
I got them all for. I like a Cherbis, so I got everything a Cherbis. That's a big thing in Italy. They were like huge.
But they're from Italy, right?
Yeah, a Cherbis is the Italian company. So, being Italians, you know, we got it around with it.
He's got the Italian flag on the wrap and everything.
Right.
Yeah.
You gotta have
Got the
that.
Ferrari there, bro. It's Italian bike.
This is
Yeah.
Ferrari, Formula 1 shit. This is all
Yeah.
one. Everything you want. Rally too. We gotta get some stickers for the Rally. But the old one, not the new one, the old style Rally. Back in the days with the Lancia and
But
the Audi.
I gotta tell you, Kumba, we don't use Castro no more, you know?
I know.
And you've gone with Valentino Rossi's number 2.
Fucking right. You gotta have Valentino Rossi. He's one of a kind. Remember, I ride 3 bikes too, so I track my
Yeah,
Ducati
you
as well. I got a
fucking
Ducati and I got a ZF.
Right on.
I got a Kawasaki as well.
You gotta import a TM maybe. Step up
TM
to it.
used to be fucking badass, man.
Yeah.
There was a beautiful bike back in the days, the TM. Yeah, well, we couldn't touch those
The
things back
problem
home.
with those bikes is, bro, if it breaks, you need parts. You gotta wait, man.
That's the other
They don't
thing.
have
You gotta
fucking
wait
parts.
for the parts.
Maybe
I
a
remember
few of
back in the days, even the Sashes. Remember Sashes engines with the Angelotti? I don't know if you remember. You might not remember the Angelotti. Yeah, those were like Italian, but they used to use a Sashes motor, and they were like so hard, even in Italy, to find parts. So here, the TM probably. You know who
TM
runs
is its own
TM?
bike, But you know, Fontic is a Cowie.
Yeah, yeah.
Well,
And,
they got together with Cowie.
Beta-
and
Beta's a
Kajiva's a
Cowie.
Yamaha.
Fantic is an Italian company. Fantic
Yeah, I
Motors.
know,
I
but
own
now
one.
the fucking new ones
They
they're
went
making.
with Kawasaki. They team up. They
Yeah.
team up with Kawasaki. So Kawasaki is giving them a few scoops how to build some really badass bikes. You know, I was watching the actual video the other day. They got some, but they don't bring him here.
No.
There's one guy who brought it here, and that's about it. But it's a pretty beautiful bike. It's all
Fucking
white and
Cowie,
red.
bro.
It's a Cowie.
They're good bikes.
They're good bikes. Even Kawasaki's are good. Hondas, Kawasaki, Yamaha.
Honda
they all,
guys, bro.
it's a preference.
I have like fucking 7 Cowies, but I'm still.
I mean, I tried them all. Yamaha for the especially motocross when we raced. That to me, Honda was always the best. For one, I don't know why. Maybe the color too. I don't know.
They're just so reliable though too,
They were-
right?
they
They
were
just you
reliable,
could
too.
count on them.
Yamaha's reliable too.
But I just fell
But
home
I
with
think,
Honda.
the
Yamaha's too far behind
The
on the tech now,
aerodynamics
though.
of it, like where the way you stand
Yamaha
on
doesn't
it,
innovate
for me it's more
anything they do,
comfortable.
right?
Yeah.
Honda
yeah.
just keeps pushing it.
It's funny how it works. I said for street bikes, I always was home with the Yamaha R1. I love the R1. I don't give a shit what anybody said. Better than Ducati, and I own them all. Ducati, Kawasaki,
Cheapest to
Yamaha.
maintain.
But they were,
especially.
for me, the R1 was the best bike. I
was
had
a good
5 of
bike.
those.
It was a good
All every year, 99,
Yeah.
2001,
Yep.
2002. Then I went to the Ducati. But Ducati, when I jump on the track, wherever we do track days, I still don't find the Ducati to be my kind of bike. And it's like, and the truth is with Valentino, for example, when he went to Ducati, he wasn't home. He didn't do shit with Ducati. Why? I don't know. It's just sometimes
It's a
the
feeling,
bike.
right? Yep.
But with Yamaha, he was fucking amazing, right? Yamaha took him to where he is now.
Yep.
If
A
it
friend of mine
wasn't
that I
because
go
of
to
Yamaha, he
university
probably
with.
was not going to be the same. And even not my Ducati.
And
that I
even
have now.
Yamaha, bro, if he didn't take Yamaha, they would have probably stopped racing. Yamaha was in like bad shape.
But I tell you, it's funny. Like I told you, like at the track, my Yamaha, I felt home. Like it just, everything fit me perfect.
Get ready though, we're coming.
Yeah, hold on.
Dusty.
There you go.
Yeah.
Just want to make sure it's recording.
Water puddles up here.
Right behind you.
Wow. Careful.
Right through it.
Wow, dude. Oh, wow, dude. Getting a little wet and wild.
That was awesome.
When you kind of have to actually go through it. Gotta keep it moving, right?
Yep. Oh yeah.
That's the key. You good?
Yep.
There's a snowmobile trail stake. I wonder if that's a creek that sometimes opens in the winter, right?
Yeah, maybe.
It's just like a stake that's full. There's a danger ahead. Did you not see which way they went?
It looks like they went left. I think they went that way.
I can see the dust. What's that to the left there?
Oh, is Galit's gonna go up in there?
Oh,
Nice! Go ahead. That guy's got good control. Oh, I'll go.
sketchy.
Oh shit, you ain't seen Sketch yet. I want to stay back from the 450 on this one.
Well, you know how I do.
Oh, Galit's is stuck. This is freaking awesome. Yeah, I don't know whether you want to go through that water hole.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Look at it.
That's like what you'd hit in a side-by-side.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'll be fine in this. I'll just float through this shit.
There's a stump in the water there, in the mud where I just stalled
I can't
out.
get over these logs. I'm losing grip here. Hold on.
You got her.
Holy
Sweet.
hell. That's pretty deep. You sure, Dad? Maybe stick to the...
Mike, you gave me permission, right?
Oh,
Oh,
Oh, piece of cake.
are you sure on my
Yeah.
one?
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Dad?
Woohoo! Nothing. There's no surprises. Oh, you're deep.
there's surprises, Dad.
There's surprises, Dad!
Oh, you got me wet.
I'm so...
Galit's is gonna fall down. Watch. No. Woohoo! This is what it's about.
I hit like one stone under the water.
Woo! Sorry about that, Dad. I'm so...
Got a car wash.
The old iron does it again.
360 camera piece of shit stop though, eh? I showed you guys how to do that.
Oh, the next one's shallow, like completely. So
Oh shit.
oh, Dad! That was awesome, man. Look at an old bulldozer out here.
Oh yeah. That was fun. Now I'm wet, I don't care.
I got it.
We're with the mud rats today.
Yeah.
Give up on that camera, Dad. It's not
It's a
gonna work.
piece of shit. Oh shit!
You good?
I washed right out. Yep. Saved her. I can edit that out. I won't.
I'm impressed with this thing crawling through that water. Just
Yeah.
kind of waded right through it, but
Oh, it's a great bike.
oh yeah, it was. 'Cause I was like, I just want to keep the R's up.
Whoa!
Running.
Ah, shit!
You
Don't-
okay?
Don't look. Get the bike up first.
That's what happened. Did you hit that wheel? Did you fall
I
off?
just, yeah, I couldn't reach the ground. Go.
You okay?
Oh yeah. Fucking great.
Big rock. This is crazy, the boulders in here.
Yeah.
Say that you were looking to see how easy it is to pick up the bike. Come on. Oh.
Where did they get their hands on you? Well, Mike, I laid her down.
You got any wrenches on you?
What do you need? Oh no, I don't have anything.
Oh, Mike ripped his pants.
And now
On
she
your right
won't
leg, it's
even
completely
spare
open.
a passing glance.
On
No, the back leg. Yeah.
All just because I ripped my pants.
That was fun through there, man. We're the only fools trying to do it on bikes.
Very cool. Those water holes definitely helped us out. Wow, those Hondas must have a super unforgiving clutch. All of them just keep stalling them.
Yeah, it's like
Why would you
Mike
get
said. It's a
them?
no. It's true with any four-stroke because it's only firing every other, like every 2 cycles. Where this fires every cycle.
Oh yeah, so a single cylinder,
Right,
yeah.
yeah. Pulled up beside Mike to talk to him, and I didn't pull the clutch in soon enough, and it stalled on the 450.
Yeah, I think that's why you can kind of just crawl through stuff on a 2-stroke, right? So it's hard to... Too bad.
Nope. Certainly an ATV trail, isn't it? This thing is crazy how you can crawl through here.
It's a good running 2-stroke, well set up. Like EFI too, you don't even have to worry about like
No.
adjusting arm to get it. That's right. Good launching. It's like in the wind room, you got light coming out the back.
Oh, I got on the bog cycle on that one.
Yeah, go
Look at 419.
grooming? Oh, yeah, hold on. Where's the groomer? Like these trails are terrible. It's like it says grooming at any hour. Oh, I know what it is. Sorry, I checked their Facebook. The groomers broke down right now.
Yeah, that's right. I'm enjoying this today. This is awesome.
Oh, this is amazing.
Yeah.
Gotta come back and ride these trails in the winter now, I think.
Yeah.
Sure, yeah. Very cool. So where he is?
I don't know. Here comes Galitz. He's coming right through. I pity the guy that has to wash this bike.
He's got 2 to wash as well.
You just found one.
You're not gonna like the price.
Yeah, I know.
All right, safe guys.
I'm gonna make the bag work with this on the outside. Oh,
WR450. So that is street legal. It's got the
yep,
single
WR,
lights.
yep. Both those are. It is that guy that doesn't have the stuff on his.
Yeah.
WRs are.
Cold, I gotta get eat the pipe again.
The pipe.
Get her on the pipe, bud. There we go.
There you go. I love everybody commenting on the DT though, eh? We have like $80,000 in motorbikes and they're looking at the DT.
I didn't know they were that big in Italy. That's kind of funny, actually.
Yeah, that is funny.
You're the king of Italy.